Hi everyone, this is Satyam and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about front judgment, and many of you have asked me in the comment section to tell you all how to judge the vehicles ahead of our car such that we can drive flawlessly without hitting them. So in today's video, I'll be telling you how you can judge that how extended this bonnet is of our car and how we can drive efficiently on the roads as well as in traffic. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, the thing that I want to tell you is that this portion is known as the bonnet of a car, and the back portion of the car, where I'll show you. See, this is the back portion of the car, and this is known as the bumper. So what happens, like in most of the cars, we cannot see like how extended this bonnet area is. And while we sit here on the driving seat, we cannot easily make out how extended this is. So we have to make a judgment that this might be this extended, and therefore I have to stop my car in such a way that it doesn't go and hit any vehicle or any kind of obstruction that is ahead. Like you can see, I have parked my car with this much of gap. लाइक वी कॉल इट अंदाज़, जो कि चलाते चलाते हमें अंदाज़ हो जाता है कि हमारी गाड़ी का बोनेट कितना लंबा है और हमें कहाँ पे स्टॉप हो जाना है. दिस इज़ नोन एज फ्रंट जजमेंट. So I'll show you, I'll drive in traffic and I'll show you how I have maintained the distance. But for the beginners to understand, once you stop seeing the number plate of any car, any auto or any other small vehicle ahead of you, once you stop seeing the number plate, then that is the safe distance. You have to maintain that much of safe distance while driving. What will happen when you are driving behind a vehicle? First of all, the tires, the wheel will get out of sight, and the next thing that will get out of sight as you get closer will be the number plate. And then you have to you have to be alert that now I don't have to go closer or else I'll go and hit that vehicle. You have to maintain that much of distance, right? जब भी हमारे आगे कोई भी कार, कोई भी ऑटो या ऐसी छोटी व्हीकल आती है, तो पहले तो हमें उसका व्हील दिखना बंद होगा जब हम व्हीकल के पास जाएंगे. उसके बाद नंबर प्लेट. जैसे ही नंबर प्लेट तक दिखना बंद हो जाए, उससे ज़्यादा क्लोज़र हमें नहीं जाना है उस व्हीकल के, अदरवाइज वी कैन गो एंड हिट दैट व्हीकल. हमारी गाड़ी उस व्हीकल में जाके टकरा जाएगी, राइट? सो यू हैव टू मेंटेन दैट मच ऑफ डिस्टेंस. ऑलवेज कीप दैट इन माइंड. एंड वाइल यू सी मी ड्राइविंग राइट नाउ, आई जस्ट शो यू. Please pay attention on the way I am driving. You'll see that the vehicles ahead of me, I am maintaining that much of gap that till the number plate is seen, like I am maintaining that much of distance. So once the number plate is not seen, you have to be alert that next moment if I go closer, I can go and hit that vehicle. Now you can enjoy watching me driving on the road, and please be very careful while watching because you'll get to see how I'm driving in traffic. At the same time, you'll get to see how I'm judging the front side of my car. hopefully you understood that this is known as the bonnet and this is the seating area. Now these smaller cars or models similar to these, in these cars we cannot see the bonnet, but there are bigger cars and there are various kinds of cars in the market. There are various cars in which we can actually see the bonnet, and in that case, when you can see the bonnet, then it will be really easier for you to drive, because then you know how much distance you have to maintain because you can already see the bonnet. So nevertheless, you don't have to worry about it. If you practice well, you will get an idea how extended this is, and once you get seated here, you will be able to drive confidently and easily, so you don't have to worry. Try to maintain enough distance, safe distance, because that is any day good and that will be safer option while you are driving on the road. So उचित डिस्टेंस को मेंटेन करके ही चलाएं, और वो काफ़ी सेफ होगा और आपकी ड्राइविंग भी स्मूथ होगी, और आपके साथ जो बैठे हैं उनको भी डर नहीं लगेगा, एंड दे विल एक्चुअली एंजॉय द राइड. सो and in case you have any doubts regarding driving, or you have any other questions in your mind, any video suggestions, please feel free to post that in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, then guys, please make sure to subscribe and please do not forget to hit the bell icon to be notified any further. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, keep watching, keep smiling. Bye bye, take care.